Okay, so what's the difference between the initial planning phase and the first implementation phase?
Can you explain that a little better, Cindy?
Yeah, implementation one by their title, who was asking?
Me.
Oh, sorry.
Just address it.
Allows continued planning. It would get more after the initial planning, so we said we need more public information. We need to really do a gap analysis on what kind of information technology connections would be needed, that kind of thing. It can be funded without state authority. Before you go to level 2 funding, you have to have state authority. So level 1 is really like a continuation of planning if you're making progress planning.
So if they just
Does that
say,
answer your question?
Now, who
Partially.
do you represent? Who do you represent?
Who am I with? I'm with the insurance department.
okay. If they decide in the initial planning phase that the Arkansas Exchange isn't needed or they don't want it, do they then not need the implementation phase?
If it's decided that the people don't want it, then the feds would come in and start their planning.
Which they could do anyway, so.
We'll get it one way or the other.
Yeah, it's- Unless the Supreme Court acts differently, we're gonna have an exchange and it's
Well,
ours or.
But they could do that regardless anyway, so.